Now that you have bought your Add to Cart Redirect affiliate link extension, I'm sure you are eager to get it up and running so that you can use it on your website. Well, don't despair. This tutorial is all about helping you to understand how to use the extension and the various features it has to offer. Now, before we actually get into seeing how it looks once it has been installed, let's take a look at some features of the extension. So as you see here, there are about 7 features that it adds to enhance the functionality of your website. First of all, you see here that this redirect plugin allows you to change the Add to Cart button into a Buy Now button that bypasses the cart and redirects to an affiliate link. Simply put, all it's going to do is change your Add to Cart button, which will be for your products, and convert it to a Buy Now button, which will then take you to an affiliate link that is not on your website. The redirect link button can be called anything you want. You can name it Buy Now, visit website, click here, anything you want to call the button, you will be able to name it in the back end. Your redirection link button can have different names for different affiliate products, if you so desire. So say you have 2 affiliate link products on your website, just for argument's sake. You can name the other button Visit Website. But both buttons will still be able to carry you to your affiliate link. And of course, I'm going to show you how to do that in the back end. You also have the ability to choose regular and affiliate products on the same site. So what that means is regular products, which would be the products you have on your site that you are selling, or whatever on your site that persons come to your site and buy. And once they make their payments, then you sell the products, you will be able to have those products in addition to having affiliate products on the site. You can even have them side by side. So you can have both regular and affiliate products on the same site. And of course, I'm going to show you how that looks on the front end once we put in a few affiliate links on the site. Now, this plugin also adds a redirection column in the products list section of the admin area that lets you know which products are redirected, and I'll show you how that looks in a second. It also has a total products card section above the filter card on the products list page in the admin area. And we're also going to show you how that looks. It also adds a redirection link and redirection button name row under the Links tab when you're adding or editing products you have on your website. This means that in addition to having the redirection link, which will lead to your affiliate site or affiliate products, you also have a redirection button, which is stated earlier. You can name your button anything you want. All right. So these are the features of the Add to Cart Redirect affiliate link extension. Now let us get down and after you've installed the website and even after you install the extension, your site will look like this. This is especially if you are using the default theme and you have not really added any products yet for sale. This is just the default theme after installing opencart. So right now we only have regular products. We have Add to Cart, the wish list, and we also have the Compare Product buttons. But once we have put in some affiliate links, the Add to Cart button is going to change. Okay, so we have 4 products here on the front end: a MacBook, an iPhone, an Apple Cinema, and a Canon EOS camera. So we're going to see what happens once we start utilizing the features of the Add to Cart Redirect plugin. Let's go to the administration area and we're going to log in now. So you're going to log into your site using your username and password. Once you're in, you're going to be able to see some of the things that the Add to Cart extension has done. This is our dashboard once you've logged in. Of course, the dashboard won't look any way different because we have not done any separate changes to the dashboard. So you're going to go down to Catalog and Products. This is where we are going to see some of the magic take place. So here we are now on the Products page in the admin area. And like I said, we're going to see the features of the extension. We have total products over here. Initially, we would only have had the filter column. But now a total products card section has been added, which shows you the number of regular products, the number of affiliate products, and the total number of products. In addition, a redirect column has been added to the product list, and it will show the products that are redirected or have affiliate links. As you can see, all of these are saying no because there is no affiliate link on any of these products at this point in time. So it would not be showing you any of the affiliate products right now. So now what we're going to do is edit a couple of the products that come installed with opencart. Let's go back to the store's front end. First, we saw MacBook, iPhone, Apple, and Canon. Let's see if we can make the Apple Cinema an affiliate product. When we do that, the redirect alert will change to yes. And we're going to have this change from 0 to 1 to show that we have one affiliate product. Click the Edit button. So now the Edit product page has loaded for the Apple Cinema 30-inch. You are going to realize the general section is going to look the same, but the magic is going to be under the links section. So you're going to click on links, and here's where you're going to realize that there are two new boxes added. You are going to have redirection link and redirection button name. The redirection link is your affiliate link for the product, and the redirection button name is the name you want to give to the button. So let's go back to the front of the store right now. Apple Cinema is a regular product. It has an Add to Cart button. But after we make the adjustment in the back end, we're going to see that this is going to change to whatever we name it. So let us just say for argument's sake that your affiliate link is america.com. And the redirect name is visit website. After you put in the link and the name, you are going to click Save and wait for confirmation that the saving has completed. Click the back button to return to the products list. So you see now we have redirect for Apple Cinema. It says yes because we just added redirection link, and you realize over here in the total products column that we now have 18 regular products. It was 19 before, but now it's 18. We now have one redirect product, but still 19 products overall. So the one product we just added as a redirect is now an affiliate product. When I go to the front end, I am going to simply refresh the page, and you're going to see the change come for Apple Cinema. Here we go. Can you see the difference now? What was an Add to Cart button is now a button you can use to go to an affiliate link. The name of the button we gave was Visit Website. You clearly see that's the name here. And of course, when you click that button, it will take you to your affiliate link, which will open up in a new tab. So you're already seeing how you can have regular products along with affiliate products. Now, I also mentioned that you can have different products with different button names. So far, we've used Visit Website for Apple Cinema. Let us see if we can change it for one of the other products. So the Canon EOS is right here, and it is right here. So we're going to change the Canon EOS to an affiliate product. Click on the Edit button. Once again, we're going to go to the Links tab, and we're going to put in an affiliate link. Put the affiliate link as red.com. And then I'm going to use Go to Website as the redirect button name. So once again, I'm going to save and wait for the confirmation. And then we're just going to click the back button to go to the products list once more. we're going to see that we now have 2 affiliate products and 17 regular products. And you are going to realize that the redirect column will now say yes for the Canon product. So we just made the common EOS an affiliate product. The redirect says yes. We now have 2 redirect products and we can clearly see 17 regular products and 19 products overall. Let us go now to the front of the store, the front end. So right now, the Canon EOS is a regular product with an Add to Cart button. We will see the change to Go to Website, which is what we named the redirect button after reloading the site. There it is. Now the Canon EOS is an affiliate product. When we click on the button, it will carry us to the affiliate link which will open in a new tab. Once more, this is an example of how you can have a mix of your different products having buttons with different names, and of course, having affiliate products along with regular products. So you see how easy it is to use this tool, this Add to Cart redirect to affiliate link extension. And of course, if you're adding a new product, it's the same procedure. Once you click the Add Product button, the Link tab will still have the ability for you to name the button and to set the affiliate link. And of course, as I said, we now have 2 redirect products, 19 overall, and 17 regular products. So this was a brief tutorial. I hope it was beneficial, and of course, it's very easy to use. If you have any problems, contact us at our support center. The link is in the description below this video. You can watch this video over again to familiarize yourself with the extension. Do some practice with it and in no time you'll have lots of affiliate products on your website, in addition to regular products. Thanks for watching this tutorial and I hope you enjoy using this Add to Cart redirect to affiliate link extension for opencart.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.